As the era surges forward, in the grand tide of global manufacturing, King Pack Machinery stands firm as a national high-tech enterprise, deeply rooted in the field of packaging automation for over 20 years. We have become a leading force in China's emulsifying and filling intelligent equipment industry, and we are moving steadily toward becoming a global packaging system supplier. With a 5,000 square meter production and assembly workshop and more than 60 industry professionals, our R&D team constantly breaks through technological boundaries. Our automation and control experts build the intelligent core, and our world-class service and digital support teams safeguard trust worldwide. From ISO 9001 to EUCE certification, from over 40 utility patents to multiple national inventions, we have always pursued compliance, efficiency, and intelligence. Through deep collaboration with Jiangnan University, we continue to power innovation through industry-academia integration. Our equipment is widely used in pharmaceuticals, medical care, pet medicine, aesthetics, daily care, and hospitals. From liquids to creams, gels, and injectables, we handle every complex process with confidence. From concept to blueprint, from parts to complete systems, King Pack delivers full mechanical design and fills domestic industry gaps. Our product range includes vacuum emulsifying and paste-making machine, dual-station tube filling and sealing machines, filling and capping machines, vial washing, drying, filling, stoppering production lines, syringe pre-filling systems, hot melt, single-dose filling and sealing machines, and various end-of-line packaging equipment with diverse functionality and customizable designs. Our products meet GMP standards and focus on every detail. We not only provide non-standard production line customization and full process training, but also help customers boost productivity and reduce operational costs, earning recognition across industries for precision, flexibility, and reliability. Today, King Pack Machinery serves clients in 68 countries, partnering with over 60 renowned enterprises worldwide. Our annual sales continue to grow at a remarkable pace.
我们始终以市场为导向，把满足客户需求作为一切行动的出发点。从产品研发到服务落地，我们全力以赴严控品质，只为给客户创造核心价值，助力其在竞争中更具优势。金派愿成为客户事业路上最可靠的伙伴。
Looking ahead, we remain dedicated to professionalism and innovation, driving the industry's evolution through intelligence, building trust in every partnership, and creating value for every future. King Pack Machinery, reliable power, trusted worldwide.